Winter. Hey, sweetheart. You see how well he's doing? Look how good he looks. Come on. You want to walk on? He wants to come to his mommy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. We wanted to show you how good you walked. Go on, Winter. See how nice you walk? You know you still got an hour. See, you gained some weight. Did I say that already? If he didn't have that awa, he would be rideable right now. I think he looks pretty good, except for his awa. Winter, can we see your awa? Sweetheart. It's this leg in the back. There, he stopped for us. There, you can see it. Good boy. Good boy.